my poor Glacies. So way over there is where we walked. We walked all down there. And Glacies is right here. And I forgot, here's the cave. There's the cave. And I forgot to put Glacies stone right here. There we go. Love you, Glacies. I still dream of you. And usually when I dream of you, it turns into a trigger for a lucid dream where I realize I'm dreaming of you and I intentionally make a strong effort to enjoy petting you in my dream. And that is a blessing. Here's some Sam. I got lucky with both my dogs. They were both very well behaved, good off leash. Glace is a little more aggressive but motherly. Sam's a lot more playful. And don't tell him, but I think he's going to get a sister or brother that's a little bit bigger than him. Probably a sister that's bigger than him.